Mobile internet services have also been suspended in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch and Rajouri districts as security forces continued their massive search operation to track down those terrorists who had been responsible for that recent ambush where 4 of our army jawans unfortunately were martyred. Let's now take a look at these fresh reports that Gursimran has sent from the ground.
This is really a tough terrain to operate on, and now the intensified operations have been extended to the area of 5 to 7 kilometers. This is the area that was searched earlier by the Jammu and Kashmir police along with the Indian Army, but now the agencies suspect that the terrorists may try to break the corner and move to the outer areas, and that's why the area of operations have been intensified. I'll request if Gaurav can show you the deployment of the Jammu and Kashmir police and the roads that are leading to that very area. They have been now barred from entry. The Indian Army along with the Jammu and Kashmir police, they are carrying out the intensified operations, and this is the one of the entrance point. This connects to the Dera Ki Gali area, which is a 8.1 kilometer long stretch that connects the district of the Poonch to district Rajouri in the Thana Mandi area. And now the intensified operations are underway. As Gaurav is showing you the visuals that the Indian Army along with the Jammu and Kashmir police and the Central Reserve Police Force, they have been deployed here on the ground. We are witnessing that intensified terrorist attacks are taking place in the Jammu region. Another attempt of the terrorists to push 4 Pakistani terrorists into the Indian territory have been foiled in the Akhnur area of the Jammu, and where in the Gagrial area in the Khod subdivision there was an attempt by the Pakistan that has been foiled, and 1 terrorist has been killed while 3 others have been injured. Those 3 terrorists have taken the killed terrorists back to the Pakistani territory, and now the searches are on in the area. But if we come to this operation, the Poonch operation that has entered the day 3rd, the search for the terrorists is on to find out those 2 to 3 terrorists that are still active in the area. And also the special forces of the Indian Army along with the paramilitary forces, they are carrying out the operations in coordination with the Jammu and Kashmir police so that any attempt of the Pakistan can be foiled well within the time.
And shifting focus now, as the hijab debate is back in the state of Karnataka, all-out politics that has erupted after Siddaramaiah announced the lifting of restrictions on wearing hijab in the state. Let's listen into that statement made by Siddaramaiah. BJP has called it appeasement politics.
hijab adu ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಏನು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಆದೇಶ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿ ನೀ ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀಯ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಾಡು ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹಕ್ಕು ನನ್ನ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಧೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜುಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ವಾ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು